All right.
Yeah, and for me, the output that it gave me was it gave me a few bullet points for each of the competitors, um, and it's very interesting. And what I think I'm going to be able to do is I'm going to have a stronger offer for my clients for like these food trucks, right? And I'm going to have a stronger offer, even though I think it's already pretty good, if I do say so myself. But I'm in the wine bottle, and when you're in the wine bottle, you can't read the label of the wine bottle. So this is helping me look from outside in, basically. And
Mhm.
it's doing all that research that I probably should have before I started building the site. But hey, this is great. This is great.
So for me on step two, this is the profile key competitors. The goal here is to understand each major player's strengths, weaknesses, and strategic plays. So it's broken it down by, it's giving me two in each category: direct competitors, um, data driven rebel. That's a new one on me. I haven't heard of that. An AI coach. It's given strengths, weaknesses, and plays for each one of those. Same thing for indirect competitors. Same thing for emerging competitors. Okay. So, um, again, this was simulated. Because it's simulated doesn't mean it's not real. It is simulated based on it's gone out and looked at information I have fed it, and it's pulled that information out and have answered these questions based on information I gave it prior. So I don't want you to get confused that it's simulated, meaning it's not real. It is real information.
Yeah.
Okay. Um,
Yeah, and on mine, yeah, let me share my screen really quick, just
yeah,
because,
I'm
um,
You remove mine and you can throw yours up on. There you go.
yeah. So let me, the so me, I'm a marketer by trade. So I have a digital marketing agency, and then I also have Stormio AI that I use Stormio for my clients. And so I'm looking at this, and this is how I look at it, right? So this is a competitor of Loyal Fuel, right? This brand that I'm creating. So these are their strengths, and then these are their weaknesses. And I'm like, so then what I can do is I could be like, oh, well, their weakness is they don't have a menu, it's or POS or automation tools. So then I have those things,
Mm-hmm.
so I could play that up, like, oh well, and then so now I can create content. Well, what about Loyal Fuel versus Loopy Loyalty, or Boomerang Me versus Loyal Fuel, and stuff like that. So this is, man, this is even saying it looks outdated. And so I can say, like, we are new. We've looked at everything on the market. We have feature rich loyalty automation. Like, it even tells me already, instead of, see, this is great. This is great information. Like, this is, I'm glad we're doing this, Stephen. Stephen basically said, hey, I want to do this thing. Are you available to do it? I'm like, yep, let's do it. So here
Yeah.
we are.
Yeah. And again, we're winging it. We don't, I've not done it before. So you're seeing it created at the same time that I'm seeing it created. So,
Yeah, I'm definitely glad I'm doing this. So let's see. It says, for me, would you like to add any additional insights or correct anything based on what you've seen or heard? If not, I'll move us to step 3, the positioning map. Oh, see, I was just saying, like, oh, I can position myself here and I can position myself there, but it sounds like it's already going to do it for me. So I'm just going to say I'm ready to go.
yeah, I'm going to say the same thing on my side. I'm on step three as well.
I took my what do you call it? My share off.
Yeah,
So,
I'm sharing mine
oh, there
again.
you go. I see it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. So let me see what it's going to give me here.
So if you guys would like this prompt for your business, So for me, I'm starting up a business. I'm starting a brand new business, and I would need to do all of this stuff for already anyway. I would have to do this stuff to launch a business. You should do this, I should say. You don't have to, but you should. And if you're going to do it, you might as well save 20 hours and just spend an hour. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm gonna read mine while you go through yours.
Yeah, okay. Step 3, positioning map. Goal is to visualize the strategic landscape to reveal crowding, white space, and outliers. So it looks like it's trying to create a 2x2 map. It's suggesting dimensions on the x-axis being from personalized strategy to off-the-shelf content, and on the y-axis from human-guided coaching to fully automated AI. And these are great because I'm trying to figure out a mix between, well, where is it that I actually want to, where's my world going to fit in this? And it's kind of a mixture of all. So I've kind of thought of this before, but not really put it on paper. So it's put it on paper for me.
Yeah, and it's breaking it down. I didn't expect this right here. So choose the right axis. I guess axes. So it's telling me option A is richer feature richness, basic to advanced, and then the Y would be niche focus. And then the other one is ease of use, DIY simple, or to tech complex, and then value for price. And then option C is breadth of solution, like a single feature versus all-in-one system versus customer loyalty focus. So this is an interesting question as to which pair do I want to go with. And the other thing is I can also go back and say, you know what, I want to go option B on that one instead of option C. So for me, I'm going to go option C.
I'm going to stick with the original on mine. I like it. It's given me 3 more options to consider, but I like the original option best, so I'm going to run with it.
Oh, see, you see, our outputs are different. So I'm gonna, yeah, it's given me 3 options. It's like which one do you want to do? So I'm gonna go option C on mine. And of course, it's a great choice. I made a great choice.
Yeah.
So one thing about AI, your choice is always a great choice. Now, I do like how yours has the red, yellow, blue. I like all of these different icons you have.
Uh-huh.
Mine does not have that, but it could also be that I told it never to give me an emoji. So,
And I like emojis, so I probably along the way have accepted emojis. I may not have commented specifically, but because I have not commented, it assume emojis are okay. And for me, they are. I can read better with emojis, so I'm good with that.
yeah, see it oh wow, you got a what is that? Oh, that's the X and Y axis. Interesting.
Yeah.
Shoot, I'm going to look at mine now.
So I think it's saying that for me, it's suggesting, and I would agree with this, that it's suggesting that I become a boutique, personalized, and deeply relational training. And that is what I try to do. I'm trying to teach specifically to the client, not in a generalized sense, but in a very specific.
Yeah. See, so my output is, see, we all started with the same prompt, and we're totally going. it's a different conversation, right? The conversation I'm having with my chat, which you call yours Pam, I call mine Max, because Max helps me max out my life, my business, helps me be more efficient, helps me serve my clients more efficient. It just, the savings of time is absolutely, I mean, I just can't. I don't know. It's people that don't use AI, when they start using it. I'm coaching somebody who just started using AI. Like, it's typed in her first prompt. I'm like, wait a second, no. Let's give it more information. And she's like, wow, it gives you all that. I'm like, yes. So for me, it did not make this grid, but it did a table.
You want to share yours? I mean,
yeah. Let me put mine on stage. Here we go. Yeah, so I picked option C, which is breadth of solution, and then customer loyalty focus. So then this is what it gave me. So I'm glad to know that I'm pretty much beating out all of these people, which is great, but it all comes down to marketing when it comes down to it. And then this says, I guess maybe confirm, does this positioning align? Maybe I can ask it, can you show me a grid?
Sure. Yeah.
Can you show me the grid?
And that's kind of the way you learn AI, is that if you can you do something? Ask Max, I'll ask Pam, can you do this? They'll tell you yes or no, I can do this.
So now I have this set up to like always show me the details. Most people don't have this little, like, I want to see, oh, look at that. Loyal fuel is way up there. Bam. So with all of this code, it created this. I just like to see the code because I'm a tech guy. So I think Blackbird is probably my next biggest competition. And then also Toast POS is my next biggest competition.
I see Toast in the marketplace quite often.
Yeah, me too. It's a point of sale system, which technically Stormio AI can do point of sale. Like, they can just use their cell phone or a tablet, and then people can just tap to pay. But it's not totally made to do that. It's just not 100% there. It's not a POS system, but it can act like it. So anyway, I'm ready to move to step 4. So let's go. Let's go to step 4.
Once you keep it on your side, I'm going to work it offline or behind the scene on my side, and then you'll talk through yours, and then we'll switch over and I'll talk through mine. Okay.
All right. So, man, excellent. It said, let's move to step 4. White space and threat analysis. So there's no, all right, let's see.
1 second, Michael, I did want to say this, and I'm not going to put mine on screen, but for my insight with